For those of you looking for a powerful and affordable tablet for entertainment, work, or even creative pursuits, the Blackview Mega 1 might be the perfect fit. But before we get into the details, if you're interested in checking out the Blackview Mega 1 for yourself, we've included a link in the video description. Let's get started. Here are 5 reasons why the Blackview Mega 1 might be your next tablet obsession. The Blackview Mega 1 boasts a massive 11.5-inch 2.4K IPS LCD display. Not only is it big enough for immersive entertainment, but the 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling, gaming, and overall responsiveness. Whether you're watching movies, browsing the web, or editing photos, the display is a joy to use. The Blackview Mega 1 is powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 processor, which offers enough muscle for everyday tasks and even some light gaming. With 12 GB of RAM options, you can multitask with ease and keep your apps running smoothly. Let's face it, nobody wants a tablet that dies halfway through a movie marathon. The Blackview Mega 1 packs a whopping 88,000 mAh battery, which promises impressive longevity. This means you can work, play, and stream for hours on end without worrying about running out of juice. Plus, the 33 watts fast charging lets you quickly top up the battery when needed. While tablets aren't known for their top-tier cameras, the Blackview Mega 1 holds its own. The rear camera system features a 50 megapixels main sensor and a 13 megapixels ultra-wide sensor, allowing you to capture decent photos and videos. Plus, the 13 megapixels front camera is perfect for video calls and selfies. Let's talk about the bottom line. Compared to other tablets in its class, the Blackview Mega 1 offers a lot of bang for your buck. It's a highly affordable option for those looking for a powerful and feature-rich tablet without breaking the bank. 5 reasons why the Blackview Mega 1 tablet might be the perfect choice for you. If you're looking for a large, smooth display, powerful performance, long battery life, and a decent camera system, all at an affordable price, then the Blackview Mega 1 is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to check out the link in the video description for more information and purchasing options. As always, thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments below what you think of the Blackview Mega 1. And be sure to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.